Alright, here's a video to help you figure out where your switches, the little servo motors, your vents and everything. As mentioned before, make sure if you can hear the when you... Now I will go and show you exactly where it's at. Alright, once you make your way down here, you will find that it is... which guy is it here? There you go. That's the guy you want right there. I'm going to change it and you'll see it move. Here we go. That's face, face and feet, feet, feet and windshield, windshield only. Now we're going to go from windshield to face. And we'll go from face to windshield and turn the key off and watch it shut off. There you go. There's a part number right there. Let's go and move it back. Come on. There you go. Hope this helps.